Outstanding design defines the 2013 Audi A6. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Audi prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including adjustable headrests in all seating positions, front dual-zone air conditioning, and a blind spot monitoring system. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Audi ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.